Hey everyone, it's Blakely with Everyday Gourmet. So I'm going to show you a very easy but delicious appetizer recipe. I'm going to make like a spicy citrus shrimp with some mango at the bottom. It's amazing, delicious. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So in a skillet here, I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. So then I'm going to put some minced garlic, about 2 cloves right here. And then to that, so this is a very easy recipe. So then to that, I have sambal chili. It's actually made by the same people that make sriracha. So you can find on the same aisle as that. So I'm gonna do some sriracha right in there. And it not only gives it an incredible flavor, it also gives it a nice heat to it. Down it. Oh, it smells so good already. Right, so then, for that, I'm going to add juice of an orange right in here. Do orange right in here. I'm also going to do lime right in here as well. It smells so good. I'm going to do some salt and pepper in there. Okay, just let this simmer up a little bit here. Okay, mix this together. Look at that. That looks amazing. So then, I'm going to do a little bit of salt. Like I said, right in here. A little bit of pepper. I'm also going to add the shrimp right in here to let them cook. Right directly in that sauce. All right, so in the shrimp go. I'm gonna cook them on one side until they start to get nice and pink, and then we're gonna flip them over. By the way, they're peeled into vein. These are some nice large shrimp, which you want when you're doing this kind of recipe. All right, in the meantime, while this is cooking, I have a mango that I'm gonna dice up, and then some scallions, and then we're almost done. All right, so these are done. Look at those. They only took like, no joke, like a minute on each side. You don't want to cook them too long. You don't want them rubbery. So I'm going to turn them off and show you how to plate them up. All right, so these are done. So what I like to do, look how cute these little glasses are. I'm going to put at the bottom there some fresh mango, just like that. So then you'll have a nice sweet and savory bite. Cool down. Look at those. Those look so good. I have to do about 3 in each one. Now that's what I call an appetizer. Then I'm going to do some sauce right in here. Just a little bit like that over the top. And then just finish it off with a little bit of fresh scallions. And that is it. How easy and delicious does that look? Can't wait to try it. So how delicious is this appetizer? It's awesome because you could totally make a huge batch of it for a bunch of friends and family and let them come and pick it as they want. So there you have my spicy citrus shrimp with mango. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Gourmet with Blakely for more delicious recipes and videos.